Today discussing a subject. What is biology? Biology is the scientific study of life and living organism. It is a natural science that covers a wide of topic including the structure, function and behavior of living life things. Branches of biology: cell biology, ecology, genetics, molecular biology, organic biology, population biology. Cell biology is the study of cells, which are the fundamental unit of structure and functions in living organism. Then ecology. Ecology means the study of the relationship between living organism and their physical environment. And then genetics. What is genetics? The study of how genes and traits they are passed down from one generation to the next. And then molecular biology, the study of the molecular basis of biology activities. Then organic biology, the study of individual organism. Populations biology, the study of groups of organization that live in a given area. It is population biology.